Hey, Justin Lobato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to talk about the Wolfgang Microfiber Cleaner and Rejuvenator. This is a concentrated formula, so it only takes anywhere from 1 to 2 ounces of this formula in your laundry load, and that's all going to depend on how soiled your towels are, or how big your load is, I should say, that you're putting in to your washing machine. So that's, something that you have to keep an eye for based on 1 to 2 ounces. That way you can make sure you effectively get those towels clean. Now, the plus side about this formula and the unique thing about it is it helps keep the nice, soft, plush texture to your towels by helping release the waxes, the polishing oils, the dirt, the grime that accumulate in your towels for whatever use you have them for. But also, not just the texture does it keep, but the absorption quality. That is huge because there are some products on the market that don't offer that, as to where the Microfiber Cleaner and Rejuvenator from Wolfgang, that helps hit all those key points of the texture and the absorption quality. That way you can get more out of your microfiber towels, and they last longer for you as well, because they are, of course, an investment. So if you want to learn more about the Wolfgang Microfiber Cleaner and Rejuvenator or any of the Wolfgang products, visit us at autogeek.com.